Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first pull-up. Begin by understanding the foundational elements of this challenging exercise. Your grip is paramount. Try a pronated or overhand grip with your palms facing away and hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Actively engage your lats by imagining you are pulling your elbows towards your hips. Practice dead hangs for at least 30 seconds per set, performing 3 sets to build grip strength and shoulder stability. This initial step is crucial for engaging the correct muscles from the start. Once you have built a solid foundation, focus on negative pull-ups, which are incredibly effective. Start by jumping or stepping up to the top of the pull-up position with your chin above the bar. Then, slowly lower your body down over a count of 3 to 5 seconds, maintaining complete control. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions, ensuring each descent is deliberate and smooth. This practice strengthens the muscles used in the pull, preparing you for the concentric phase. As your strength grows, incorporate assisted pull-ups to practice the full range of motion. Resistance bands are an excellent tool. Choose a band that offers enough support to help you complete 5 to 8 repetitions. Loop the band over the bar and place 1 or both feet inside. Alternatively, use a sturdy chair for a slight push-off, gradually lessening the amount of help you give yourself. Perform 3 sets of 5 to 8 assisted repetitions, consistently aiming to reduce your reliance on the assistance. Achieving your first pull-up requires dedication and consistency, but also smart recovery. Train your pull-up specific exercises 2 or 3 times a week, allowing a full day of rest in between sessions. Listen to your body and prioritize proper nutrition and hydration to fuel your muscles and aid recovery. Celebrate your small victories along the way, whether it is an extra second in a negative or a slightly lighter assistance band. Stay persistent, and your first pull-up will be within reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.